Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today, inshallah, we are going to explain how to repeat the walk cycle for more than one time. Also, how to move the object and to make a real walking. There are more than one way to do that. We can duplicate the keys here. We can open the frames or insert black frames, for example, to 50. And then we can select these keyframes. I don't want to copy these because these are same as the frames at 25. We can click on copy frames, and then here we have two frames empty. We need to move for two frames, and then I can select these, click on right again, and paste frames. And now I have repeated the walk cycle. This is one way to do that for repeating the walk cycle. You can use it. Also, if you want to move the object, you can move the hips, start working on the keyframes and moving the hips like this. But we need to fix all the keyframes. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use another way to repeat the movement and to move the object, to move the character. How I'm going to do that? I'm going to create an empty layer. I'm going to add anything inside that layer. Then I'm going to select the thing I draw. F8 to convert to symbol. I'm going to convert it to graphic. Then here, I'm going to select all the character layers, right click, cut layers. Not here. I need to go back here. I need to select all the layers, then cut layers, and then I need to double click on the layer I made to go inside the graphic, and here right click, paste layers. For now, I don't need this layer. I can go to the scene. Now I can open the frame, for example, for 100. And now I can move the character back here. And then I can move the character back here. I can move the layer down. For the reference image, I don't need more. I don't need it. And now if I hit on play, the repetition will happen automatically once I put the walk cycle inside a graphic. And that's what I did. But here I need to move it up a little. And this key, I want to move it back. Now I can create a classic tween for the layer that contains the character. And at frame 100, I can move the character. For example, here, let us see. Yeah, I need to move the character more. Still, I need to move it a little more. Little more will be better. And if I want to fix the go back to the walk cycle animation and fix it, I can just double click and go inside the symbol, and then I can fix it here. So in this way, I can duplicate automatically, and I can move the character across the scene. And that's how we can repeat the walk cycle and move the character. That's it for today, and thank you.